Today I'm going to show you how to create sleeves for a strapless dress. And here I'm just borrowing this sleeve pattern that I drafted for one of my dresses, and I'm just going to adapt it a little bit. I'm going to extend the shoulders. Pretty much I'm going to make it as big as I can. For reference, this is what changes I made on the sleeve. I decided to shorten it because I did not have enough fabric. I overlocked all the raw edges, and then I'm just going to fold this in. This is on the shoulder. I am going to create a casing for the elastic. And then I'm going to feed the elastic through the casing. The elastic is about 15 inches. I stitch the ends so it will hold the elastic in place. Then I will close the inseam. I tried on the sleeve and it was hitting to my elbow, so I decided to shorten it. Then I'm going to create another casing for the elastic so it will cinch up the hem of the sleeve. And this is what it should look like. I absolutely love it. Then I just stitch it on the sides of the dress, and this is the final product. I absolutely love it. I am much more confident modeling it for you guys because my shoulders are not exposed. What do you think of this dress?